Welcome to today's tutorial on how to enable security alerts on the X app with the latest updates to keep your account secure. To get started, open the X app on your Android device and navigate to the Settings or Notifications section to access your notification settings. Tap on your profile picture to access your account settings within the X app. Next, locate and tap on Setting and Privacy to further customize your account preferences. Within the Settings menu, find and tap on Notifications to manage your notification preferences. Tap on Preferences to specify your notification preferences according to your needs. Select Email Notification to manage email alerts related to your account activity. Under From X, mark the options associated with security alerts and toggle them on to receive notifications for enhanced account security. By following these straightforward steps, you can ensure that you stay informed about important account activities and potential security threats on the X app. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to optimize your experience with the X app. And there you have it, the updated guide on how to turn on security alerts on X. So give it a try and stay vigilant about your account security with timely notifications for added peace of mind.